Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. This is my picture with another video. A little bit different one this time. I used to do this all the time, talking into the camera. It's mainly all just drone videos and a bit of photography videos, have you seen in the past. But there won't be any drone footage today because I'm here at Wyming Brook, as you probably hear from the water in front of me. Yeah, so I had to come the long way down. But they said it's about an hour to go all the way round, so we're going to go all the way round. So about 15 minutes in, I looked to my right because there was a tree that had fallen down. It was a big fat tree, long tree that blocked the whole footpath on both sides of the streams. That's why I went the long way round, and guess what? They cut it in half so you can get through. Just by looking at it. Anyway, yeah, I've come down long way around, about another 5 minutes, about 20 minutes walk, cut through the woods and come down the bottom entrance. So all I've got to do is just walk it back up now, taking a few pictures and most likely do a bit of video on the phone as well. So yeah, if you did like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share it and leave a comment. Tell me what you thought, good or bad, I don't mind. I'm easy either way. And also check out some of the links that's on there, and obviously all the affiliate links and stuff like that. Anyway, enjoy the video, guys, and if I don't see you at the end, I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now. Oh dear me. Everywhere you look, there's places to film or to photograph. I'm having a minute. Although I've come down that long way, because I might not made it all the way down if I come in normal way. And it's absolutely stunning here. If you've never been to Wyming Brook Nature Reserve, get this head down here because it's absolutely gorgeous. As you've probably seen through some video I've took. Look at it behind me. The bridge. The stream all the way down there, look. Goes on for miles. Oh yeah, it's a stunning place. I'm knackered. I'll sleep well tonight, that is a cert. So yeah, anyway. I'll probably leave it for me talking into the phone. So yeah, thanks for watching if you've got this far already. Don't forget to like, share and comment like I said before, and don't forget to check out the links. If you fancy buy me a coffee, there's always a super thank you button. Thank you very much for that if you do, don't matter if you don't. And yeah, like, share, comment like I said. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now.